everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are all still here. Today I'm unboxing this online store called Cherryz, and they've sent me a box. This is how big it is. So basically Cherryz is an app where you can buy all of your essentials, everything that you would buy in a Poundland or any necessity shop, but all of it is all online and all delivered to you in this massive box. So I went on the app and I ordered quite a bit of stuff, and it came quite quickly. It got shipped within a few days and it arrived basically next day, because it was a next day delivery, so it's pretty quick. So let's just open it and see all the things that I got from Cherryz. So okay, so here we go. So as you can see, this box is full of stuff. Let me just sort it out by department. Okay, so I've just sorted everything out. I think there's like stuff everywhere. So I'll start with food, because they have a big section for food. And what I like is that they have my favorite coffee, and it's actually cheaper than what you'd get on the actual Beanie's website. So I've got two flavors: creamy caramel and amaretto almond. I love these coffees. I go through them so quickly. So when I saw it that they sell it, I was like, yay, yay, yay. So yeah, I got two of these. And then they've got loads of sugar-free chocolate, and I'm all about sugar-free chocolate. I got sugar-free dark chocolate with hazelnut nuts, and sweetness. I'm actually gonna try some now. All of these bars were £1 each. I think that's really cheap for sugar-free chocolate, considering it's hard to come by. So, sorry, full mouth. Who wants me to do a mukbang? Let me know below if you want me to do a mukbang one day. So I got this sugar-free with hazelnut, sugar-free milk chocolate, sugar-free dark chocolate, and sugar-free dark chocolate with orange. And then also I got sugar-free just sweets, I guess, just hard-boiled sweets, which are lemon and cream. So yeah, I'm gonna try one as well. So all of these are really cheap. They're like £1 each, which I think is really good for diet treats. I'm gonna eat my candy now. I'll take it out. So next I went to the pet section, and I've got loads of cat treats and loads of cat toys, and I have my plushie. So I got her two toys. One of them is a mouse. Tasha, got your toy. Do you want your toy? Do you want this? Do you want a toy? And then I also got her Catch the Mouse. Pasha, do you like your toys? No. Okay. No. Okay, maybe next time. So, okay, so moving on to the cleaning stuff. The cleaning section on the app is really large. You know, I imagine a lot of people might want to do some cleaning in the house just out of boredom. I can't imagine ever doing cleaning because I'm bored, but I'm sure a lot of people would. The first thing I got was a magic bathroom scrubber. Scrub away on your bathroom. And I also got one for the oven as well, which is the same but for your oven. So I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning. Then I also got some home fragrances. This is lavender air freshener beads. Ooh. Ooh. I'm always like, I want you to smell it, but you can't. So this is quite a strong lavender smell. I love the smell of lavender, love it. I never used to. I always thought it was like an old lady smell, and now I love it. You make your own conclusions. On the lavender theme, I also got disinfectant. Need a bit of disinfectant these days. This is for your surfaces, so you can put that in a spray and just spray everything around. Spray your doorknobs, the postman, yourself. Don't spray yourself really, because it might be not suitable for consumption. Now moving on with the lavender theme. If you live in a big family with loads of people, everyone's been thinking about buying toilet paper, but no one actually thought of removing all the smells from all the pooping that your whole family does because everyone's inside. This was £1. I've seen something like this before in a shop and it was, I think, £5, so I think it's definitely a bargain. What you do is when you're doing a poop, let's say you're around your date's house and you've done a really smelly one, so what you can do is you spray the toilet, and then I think everybody knows how it works, but you spray the toilet and it's good. Your poop's gonna smell like a lavender rather than a poop. And then I also got some incense. Again, not really tried burning those in the house before. This would go really nicely with the next section, which is the self-care and hygiene section. I know a lot of us are sitting indoors right now, and I thought it would be a nice idea to have a little pamper day. So I went in the self-care section, and the first thing I got from that was these bath bombs, and they are Ocean Breeze free bath bombs, so I could have at least 3 baths with that. So for anyone who's wondering, I'm gonna be washed at least 3 times. And then I also got one individual one, which is Zesty Fizzer Lemon and Lime Bath Bomb. So I'm gonna be using that as well. So I imagine that I'm gonna have a bath, then I could put some incense on, and then I could do some masks. And then I got some eye gel patches. I think these are really affordable for what you get. There's 6 pairs. They're for your under eye. And then I also got wrinkle care sheet mask. Yeah, there's 2 in there, 2 in a pack. They're not like brand or anything, but we'll see how good they are. So I'm gonna put all of these together in my bath. Also, I ordered a foot peel. They had a foot peel on the app, but I think they ran out of stock, so they didn't send me one. But they sent me this very funky looking foot scrub. I think this was £3, so I think that's very cheap as well. And I'm bummed out because we've had such good weather. It's been really sunny and I've been working at home and I couldn't go. Well, I can really, but I'm just sad, lonely person, so I just sit at home and look outside. So I got myself some self-tanning wipes so that I can still get a little bit of tan, even though if it's not going to be real tan. I think these were £1, so I think that's such a bargain as well. You put them on and it makes it look like you've been to Egypt, even though you haven't. Also got myself some feminine care wipes. I guess everybody knows what they're for. If you don't, put comment underneath the video and I will send you a private message. And then I also got deodorant. They didn't have any spray deodorants. I usually use a spray deodorant, but they didn't have any, so I just got this one, which should be fine. Moving on to the hygiene section, I got loads of different shower gels. Oh, most of all, they have hand soap. So got myself an essential hand soap. Also got myself some shower gels and some Love Hearts shower gels. I might add that to my bath to create some bubbles. So that could be a nice addition to my bath time. And yeah, and I also got some hair conditioner. And I think this is the same price you'd get in a shop. This was £1. And I think they also had shampoo, but I didn't need shampoo, I just needed conditioner. So this is the stuff for myself and for my cat. Then they also have a big section for baking, because a lot of people trying baking right now just for something to do. So I've been baking a little bit. Oh my god, first thing I got I've been struggling to cook an egg for a while because they're either too hard or not cooked enough. One time I cooked an egg and I thought it was cooked and it was sitting on the side and it rolled off the side of the kitchen top and it just smashed and it was like completely raw inside. So I'm like, well, what's the point? So I got myself an egg timer. You put it in the water with the egg and it changes colour, which I think is genius. Then I also got a heart-shaped silicone mold for cakes. So I'm gonna try, maybe I'll make a cheesecake in this. Tasha, I made you a cheesecake. Do you want it? No, she's too interested in chicken. And I also got a measuring jug. I don't know why. I saw one, I liked it, I bought it, okay? And then also, I don't have a barbecue, but I bought barbecue claws. I sometimes make slow cooked beef in my slow cooker. So I'm gonna try and see if I can shred it with these barbecue claws. These were only £3, so we'll see if it's any good for £3 to shred things. And then finally, I bought some skewers. Again, I don't have a barbecue, but I thought I could have my own barbecue in the oven because I'm sad. But if you do have a barbecue, they have a huge section for barbecue stuff and for summer stuff and stationery as well. There's loads of stuff that I didn't buy. They also have a big section for babies. I don't have any babies. This stuff arrived really quickly and I pretty much got all my essentials for the next few weeks. It saved me going to the shop, so I think this is quite a useful app. What I like about this app is that everything is just so clearly displayed. You know, when you go to a pound shop, sometimes you just like to browse through the pound shop. That's just one of my favorite pastimes is just to dawdle in Poundland and just like look around. So obviously we can't do that very much right now. So what you can do is go on this app and it's got all the pictures, all the different sections are clearly coloured. And if you decide to buy some stuff from there, if you need to buy any essentials and you don't want to leave your house, you can get 20% off on your first order. And I'll put the details underneath this video. So yeah, let me know what you think about my essential haul. Next week I'm going to be making a Hygiene haul. So stay tuned for that, and hope you're all doing well. We are nearly through this. We are getting through this. We are gonna make it. We're gonna make it. I know we are. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.